Hello and welcome. This is James here with HoosierDecal.com. Here at HoosierDecal.com, we make vinyl lettering, graphics, decals, boat lettering, lettering for trucks, magnetics, you name it, we make it. I just want to show you how to easily order some simple vinyl lettering from our website. If you come to HoosierDecal.com, up in the top corner, you will see Design Vinyl Lettering. You'll also see it right below Get Started Quick Links. Either way, if you decide to click one of these, you can click the vinyl lettering designer, and then you'll simply enter in whatever decal you want made. So let's just say I want the word custom text. Then you'd be able to select the font that you'd like to have it written in. And as you go through here, the fonts will change. So I've chosen here the font selector arrow. And then after that, you would want to know the size of the decal you'll need. So I'm going to want a 3-inch tall decal by proportion. Someone may want a decal that's not 31 inches long. They may only have a 20-inch space. No problem. You'll uncheck the Maintain Proportion box located here, and then you will click in the lettering width and put in exactly what you need. Let's say 18 inches. It automatically scales it down and shows you what that'll look like right here in real time. Then you can simply change the color. You can find a color that you like. You can go through our metallic flake colors. They are a little bit more expensive, but they add a little bit more pizzazz to your design. You can also do this gradient fade design, which is pretty nifty. You can change it from one color to the next and have a dual color. This is called a gradient. Next to colors, you have the shadow outline option. This literally does what it says. You can add an outline that will go around the edge of the text or a shadow that will offset to the side of the text. You can change it to left, right, lower left. Up here is the color options for the shadow. And that's just how you do it. So once you're satisfied with the colors you have, you can come down here, and if you need 2 of these, you would just simply change your quantity here, and it auto updates the price. Once you've got that down, you can either add it to cart and keep adding more text, or you can go to the Checkout Now feature. And that's it. Simply input your information and then place your order here at the bottom, and we'll get your order made. We'll take that exact image and make your lettering for you and get it shipped out as fast as possible. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you have questions, please let me know. I'd love to help you in your designs or your um, some of your projects or something you're trying to get done. Let me know. Reach out to me. I will help you as much as I can. We certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.